Alright. You saw how I did it in the other videos. This one here. Now I'm putting the piece together.
Sure,
I've already put
out.
the metal piece that has all the fingers on it. So when you put it in the lock position, it locks the steering wheel. It's a plastic cover. Before you put your puller back on it, you need to put the snap ring that holds it, because if you don't, then you have to start over. But the deal is, you just crank it down. Crank it down until you can see that groove. And what you do is you just push it in there and it should snap. I don't know if you heard that or not, but it just snaps in there. And just loosen up.
Lucky.
Alright. There's that. Now I put everything back in there. Darn it. Put this on there.
What am I supposed to be videotaping? The steering column?
Actually, that goes on the steering column. That goes on the steering column. Now, I gotta put the steering column back on.
That's the steering wheel.
The steering wheel. That's the problem. Knock it off. Shit. Alright.
I love how
what you need to do
truck.
is there's one bigger hole that the actual...
Do you want to show them?
Yeah.
Here.
Well...
You have to do it because you're in front of it.